Anyone wants to ask me anything? Isha,
I'm me, ma'am.
Yes, Shubham.
Ma'am, I'm getting confused between the words like paragraph and the options present over there, and the timer is certainly playing like a it's like a gun on my head. That's why I'm getting stubbled and confused.
Don't bother, Shubham. Whenever you're doing your reading, don't see your time again and again. Don't get panic, because the nervousness is the big enemy of the IELTS. You have to be very relaxed when you're doing your reading. Do it with a relaxed mind. It's okay. You want, like, how many bands you need? 6.5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And at 6.5, I think 26 answers should be correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Or 6.5. So why don't you do only 2 paragraphs with full concentration and like full attention? See, if you attend only 30 questions also now, and if you're doing that 30 questions with full perfection, so if you are making like 23 or 26 correct, you will get 6.5. So why are you much bother? I think the general training student should be much bother about their reading score, because they get only 6 bands at 30, but you get 7 bands at 30. So don't bother about it. Do first passages very, very properly, so that your like, our motive is to just get 6.5, okay, or 7. Let's take 7 also. So do 2 paragraphs, like full concentration. Give your first two paragraphs, like improve your accuracy. If you're doing your first 2 paragraphs with full like attention, concentration, and see, out of 28 questions you are making 25, 26 correct, you will easily get 6.5. Why to bother? So rest of the time you can spend on third passage. Maybe 1 or 2 can be correct there also. So easily you can get 70. Oh, sorry,
Right, ma'am.
7 bands. So do
That's
less.
only making scared me, ma'am. Only the reading part, the studying part is getting tough.
Don't bother about the timing, because do 2 paragraphs only, but do it properly. Increase your accuracy, because at 6 bands, you like on 23 you will get 6 bands, on 26 you will get 6.5. Why to bother? So do the 2 paragraphs with full focus, okay, rather than
Ma'am, if match the headings is asked in section 2, can we answer them in the last of the test? Like, we do the first easy ones first and
no,
do the last
I prefer do in a sequence wise.
sequence. Okay.
Yes, because you at the time of paper now you will get really confused. Okay, this is left, this is done. So always do it patiently. Do your reading test patiently and follow the sequence only. Don't shuffle your pages here and there, waste your time. Start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and do in a proper pattern. Just don't confuse your brain at the time of paper. Okay, this is done, this is left, this is done, this is left. Don't do this. Okay, just do it sequence wise and do 2 paragraphs perfectly. You will easily get 6.5. Focus on the accuracy rather than quantity. Okay, quantity
Okay,
means
ma'am.
attempting number of questions. Do less, but do it with perfection.
For those who are targeting 7.5, at least they'll get 7 for those people.
But obviously, if you are targeting 7.5, you have to be very, very quick. Like I say, you don't have to read the question again and again. Go directly to the question, mark the keywords and start searching the keywords in your passage. Fine. All right.